Come test drive this 2011 BMW 328. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, front and rear air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.